Very good morning to all. In the previous lecture of transport phenomena, we are discussing theorem which is equation of continuity. Generally, this will be defined as for the rate of change of mass, and mass will be transferred from the panel in the direction of x, y, and z. So particularly, we are considering a three-directional uh, velocity profile in the x, y, and z direction. So at that point, we are considering the mass rate of mass in at a point of x, and considering thickness of delta x, and at the end of the thickness of x plus delta s, we are finding the velocity profile. So at the end of the theorem, we found that for the equation of continuity, d rho by dt is equal to minus rho delta of velocity. Okay, and which is the substantial derivative equation we derive. So similar case, we have to derive equation of a moment, equation of motion, or it is known as a Navier-Stokes equation. So let's start this. Let us consider a fluid element of xyz through which fluid of density rho, here we are at density, is conducting as a rho. Density is rho. Okay, so density is rho. Density of fluid is rho. Now, which is flowing from the x, y, and z direction. So in the x, y, and z direction, the velocity profile can be considering as a v of x, v of y, and v of z in x, y, and z directions only. So the Cartesian compositions of in the direction of x, y, and z respectively. So the mass of the fluid is entering at the point of x surface, and mass of the fluid which is leaving at the portion or the leaving of the side is x plus delta x, which is shown in figure. So we can see that this will be the Cartesian coordinates in the x, y, and z direction. Fluid particles is flowing, so in which density is rho. For if we considering in the x direction only, then this will be the inlet portion. So at that point, density is rho vx at x point, and remove at x rho vx at x plus delta x, and this thickness or the parameter is having a distance of delta x. Okay, similar for the y component. So y component is for that the velocity is rho vy at y point, at inlet, and outlet is for the rho vy at y plus delta y, and similar portion similar for the z direction. So z direction is here, and which is rho vz at z and z plus delta z. Okay, and at a point where the velocity profile can be more easily can be understanding. So at this point is a point number b, at where the value of point b is that कि वहाँ पे क्या होगा x plus delta x, y plus delta y, and z plus delta y. Okay, so at that point we have to find out the velocity profile. Now the mass of fluid entering at a surface of x and leaving at x plus delta is similar for the y and z directions. Okay, so let we consider momentum transfer by two mechanisms. First, convective, and second one is molecular. So here we know that the difference between the convective transfer and molecular transfer. So convective transfer के अंदर only heat is transferred, and the molecular transfer ની અંદર heat as well as mass also can be transferred from the one point to the another point. Okay, so here we consider two mechanism. First one is convective transfer, mass is convective, and second one is molecular transfer. So the external forces is acting on a body. Some of the external forces are acting on a body or acting on a system is pressure and gravity. Okay, pressure and gravity. So fluid pressure and external forces is gravity only. First, we write the momentum balance for the x component of momentum and external forces, and similarly when we can derive for the y direction as well as for the z direction. So convective mass transfer is rho v into capital V. So molecular momentum also called as a shear stress. Shear stress is defined as x. So let us write the conservation momentum equation that can be rate of convective momentum in minus rate of convective momentum out plus rate of molecular momentum in and minus rate of molecular momentum out. So which is different formula considering for convective transfer as well as for the momentum transfer. So let us write the conservation momentum equation is given. So which is general equation form, shell balance equation, in which rate of momentum in and my rate of momentum out in particular two section. First is convective and second one is molecular momentum. Plus the additionally external force is acting on a system. That means we are considering two. First one is pressure and second one is gravity. So just put down the values of each term, like convective mass transfer and molecular mass transfer. So first of all, we give it this name of equation is equation number 3.10. So before writing the individual term of 3.10, we have to must clear that the y direction momentum and z direction momentum contribute to the x direction मोमेंटम एज वेल. कि क्या होता है कि जो एक्स कोऑर्डिनेट हम कंसिडर कर रहे हैं बट ऑल्सो इट अफेक्ट द also it is affected to the coordination of y and z direction. So let us consider the volume of xyz of fluid as shown in figure 3.2. પ્રમાણે કન્સિડર કર્યા પ્રમાણે તો તે ફ્લુઇડનું વોલ્યુમ છે એ શું કન્સિડર કરવાનું છે આપણે v. ઓકે, let us consider the volume of જે વોલ્યુમ છે એ કેટલું લેવાનું છે xyz. Now we are write down the each term of the balance equation. First one is rate of x component of convective mass transfer entering at x in the x direction. So it will be rho v vx at x, and other term for the parameter, so which is delta y and delta z. Then next, rate of x component of convective momentum. પહેલા કન્વેક્ટિવ પછી મોમેન્ટમ વાળું, બરાબર. કન્વેક્ટિવની અંદર ઇન અને આઉટ, તો આઉટ વાળું શું થશે? લિવિંગ એટ પોઈન્ટ x પ્લસ ડેલ્ટા એક્સ in the x direction. So rho vx at x plus delta x and delta y and delta z. So these similar things we have to do repeatedly for y direction and z direction. So x component of convective momentum entering at for y, and similar for the delta y, y plus delta y, so which is given in this. So this will be for y and for y plus delta y, and convective momentum in for z and z plus delta z. Okay, which is similar for which is given in below. Next, the next convective x momentum into the element x y z is given by. Okay, તો શું થશે? કન્વેક્ટિવનું ઇક્વેશન બનાવીએ તો શું થશે? It will be in minus out plus in minus out for x y and z direction. So in માટે rho x rho vx at x minus rho vx at x plus delta x. બરાબર, બંનેમાં ડેલ્ટા વાય અને ડેલ્ટા ઝેડ કોમન છે. બરાબર, ફર્સ્ટ ટર્મની અંદર તો કોમન. સિમિલર ફોર વાય માટે, તો વાય માટે કરીએ છીએ તો શું આવશે? એના સિવાયના કોર્ડિનેટ્સ ડેલ્ટા એક્સ અને ડેલ્ટા વાય. બરાબર. So at the end of the convective transfer, we find out the equation number 3.11. Now let us write the molecular momentum term. We have to now the second terminology is for molecular momentum terminology. So molecular momentum terminology is for rate of x component of એન્ટરિંગ એટ એક્સ બાય મોલેક્યુલર ટ્રાન્સફર. તો મોલેક્યુલર ટ્રાન્સફર માટે જ્યારે એન્ટર થાય છે ત્યારે શું થશે? તો ત્યારે ટાઉ એક્સ એક્સ અને એટ એક્સ પોઈન્ટ એન્ડ અનધર પોઈન્ટ ઇઝ ડેલ્ટા વાય એન્ડ ડેલ્ટા ઝેડ. સિમિલર શું થશે? એક્સ કમ્પોનન્ટ આઉટ જ્યારે થાય છે, લિવિંગ થાય છે, લિવિંગ ઓફ ફ્રોમ ધી momentum. So that is tau xx at x plus delta x point and other point is delta y and delta z. Now rate of x component momentum entering at a by molecular transfer. So molecular માટે શું થશે? Similar for tyx at y point and another is delta x અને delta z. Similar x component y direction ની અંદર y plus delta y out થાય છે, living out. So it is tau yx y plus delta y and delta x delta z. Then next, similar for x component in z direction and z plus delta z. અને ફાઇનલ ટર્મનું જે ઇક્વેશન છે એને આપણે એડિશન કરીએ તો શું મળશે? tau xx at x minus tau xxx plus x plus delta x. Okay, and simplified this. So at the end of the equation we got the equation number 3.12. Now let us consider external forces, pressure and gravity. જે આપણે ઓલરેડી આપણે પહેલાં જ ડિસ્કસ કર્યા છે કે જે પેરામીટર્સ છે. બરાબર, એક્સટર્નલ ફોર્સીસ તો એ કયા કયા છે? પેલું છે કે એક્સટર્નલ ફોર્સીસની અંદર પ્રેશર છે અને બીજું છે ગ્રેવિટી. ઓકે, સો લેટ અ P of x be the pressure exerted at the face of x and P of x plus delta x, બરાબર, be the exerted pressure of x plus delta x in the x direction. બરાબર, P of x બરાબર એ કઈ ડાયરેક્શનની અંદર? એટ પોઈન્ટ x પર. બરાબર, P of x એટ x પોઈન્ટ અને P of x એ પ્રેશર છે x પ્લસ ડેલ્ટા x. બરાબર, આ ઇન અને આ આઉટ માટે. અને એની સિવાય એક્સ ડાયરેક્શનમાં એન્ટર થાય છે તો એના સિવાયના ડેલ્ટા વાય અને ડેલ્ટા ઝેડ એઝ ઇટ ઇઝ આવશે. ઓકે, નાવ અને બીજું છે ગ્રેવિટેશનલ ફોર્સીસ. તો એ શું થશે? રો જી એક્સ અને એક્સ વાય ઝેડ એક્સ ડાયરેક્શનની અંદર રો જી એક્સ એટ એક્સ વાય એન્ડ ઝેડ. Okay, so there is no meaning of writing the gravitational force by the symbol of Gx. But to make it more clear that we are considering x directional forces, we write in this fashion. Okay, so that's why we are considering g of x. Here we assign the simple symbol of gx to rate accumulation of the momentum. So rate gx to the x component to the gravitational vector g as matter of convenience. So rate of accumulation of x momentum, x delta y and delta z बराबर. From the equation 3.13 and 3.14 it will be the delta x delta y and delta z, and remaining as it is delta del of rho vx at rho vx divided by del t. Okay, so these are the equation number 3.15, and other theorem as it is simply from the equation of continuity, and uh, uh, let you try to solve this equation, and we will complete this theorem in the next lecture.